Netflix and GitLab are two of the biggest names in their respective fields. At first glance, comparing them seems strange. One is for entertainment, the other for software development. But if you look closer, both aim to make complex tasks simpler for their users. The real question is, which platform is actually better for the people who rely on it every day in 2026? Let's start with Netflix. Netflix is designed for consumers who want entertainment without any hassle. You open the app and content loads instantly. Recommendations are personalized based on your watching habits. Playback is smooth across devices, and the interface is simple enough that almost anyone can use it immediately. Netflix invests heavily in global servers and infrastructure to ensure that streaming works reliably no matter where you are. Its biggest strength is convenience. You don't need to think, plan, or troubleshoot anything. The downside is that users have limited control. Content changes regularly, some titles leave without warning, and subscription prices can increase at any time. Netflix focuses on making the viewing experience effortless and addictive, and for most people, it succeeds brilliantly. Now let's talk about GitLab. GitLab is an all-in-one DevOps platform designed for professionals and teams. It handles code repositories, continuous integration pipelines, project management, security scans, and deployments. Unlike Netflix, GitLab is not about simplicity for the individual. It's about giving teams control over complex workflows. GitLab's strength is transparency and flexibility. Teams can automate processes, collaborate efficiently, and manage the entire software lifecycle in one place. The downside is the learning curve. New users often feel overwhelmed, and performance depends on proper configuration and maintenance. GitLab is designed for people who want power and control rather than passive consumption, and in that space it excels. So how do they compare? Netflix delivers immediate gratification, smooth performance, and effortless use. GitLab delivers long-term value, control, and productivity for technical teams. One is about entertainment and convenience, the other is about work and efficiency. Comparing them is not about which is better overall, but about which one suits your needs. If you want seamless streaming and endless entertainment, Netflix is the clear choice. If you want tools that improve how teams build and deploy software, GitLab is unmatched in its field. In conclusion, Netflix and GitLab serve completely different purposes, and each dominates its niche in 2026. Netflix is perfect for anyone who values ease and instant entertainment, while GitLab is for professionals and teams who need structure, control, and powerful software tools. Choosing between them depends entirely on whether you want leisure or productivity in your life. If this comparison helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more honest tech breakdowns, and share your thoughts in the comments. Which platform would you pick for your daily use? I'll see you in the next video.